a travel agency and we are running some new offers. And I'm going to send this new offer messages to all my customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet on WhatsApp. But now manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer takes a lot of time, and creating a WhatsApp groups is very unprofessional. That's where I got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that allowed me to send one WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts in just one click. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps menu where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. And here let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So now if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that we are going to access this broadcast feature, but before that let me tell you that I'm going to use a message template to send this WhatsApp message, and I have created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account only. If you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too, but to learn about that process you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly let me show you the template under this template section. So here you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and now I'm going to show you the template that I already have with the name special holiday offer. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here I've attached an image with my template, and also you can see that my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn the creation process of template in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so now once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast as well. So to create a new one, click on the Add Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. From here select the type as broadcast campaign. Here give the name. I'm going to give the name as new holiday offer. Then comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this broadcast message. So as I've already mentioned that I am going to send this WhatsApp broadcast to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. For that we are going to access this contact section. Under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of your existing list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add the single contact, add the details over here, and to add in bulk, select this add bulk contacts. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the same, but as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this file in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. So let me select that from the drop down. You can select multiple lists as well. I have selected a single one. Then comes the refine audience option. Using this, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude some contact list, or you can exclude the specific contacts from the list you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, then select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview of your message in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, so I'm going to select my template over here. So this is my template, and here we need to add a media file. So I'm going to select my media file from the files uploaded. And then we're going to click on this insert, and this is the image. So with this, we have successfully selected our template. You can also make this message personalized by adding variables in your message template. For now, I've used the generic one. Then here it is asking us to test our broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. For that, I'm going to add my username and my mobile number. After that, we are going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see a new message has been received over here just right now with the same template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then here it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. So if you want to send instant message to contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and new broadcast will be scheduled over here. Now once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, note, and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of sending a one WhatsApp message to your unlimited WhatsApp contacts in just one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.